This 2024 Winnebago Vista NPF 29NP is a Class A RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features LP detector, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, TV, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this Class A features loft, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.